If you want to play the Destiny Rising game on your PC, then to do so, you will need to use the BlueStacks emulator. Open up your web browser and go into bluestacks.com and click on the download button to download the installer. Then just open it up and click through the next buttons. And once it is done, open up the BlueStacks app player. Now from the homepage, click on the search box and type in Destiny Rising to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it. And now just click on Install from Google Play. You may check out the various details about the game, and in order to install, tap on the install button. Once the download and installation process begins, you will need to wait until it is completed. Once the download is done, you will be able to click on the play button, and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop. You may double click on this shortcut to launch open the Destiny Rising game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how you can install the Destiny Rising game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.